Welcome to my studio. It's a work in progress, and today we are going to play with the idea of being stranded on an island. This island, there is absolutely nothing there except for a volcano. On this island, you can only bring one thing. That one thing is the most important thing that you're going to bring to this island. My thing I'm going to bring is going to be a knife. Not only a knife, but one of those heavy duty with all the cool little tools that have screwdrivers and all this fun stuff that you're going to need on this island. Flint to start a fire. Oh, good one. Water. A rope. Friends. Oh, okay. How many friends? Here's your 245 friends. Whiskey. First aid kit. Great idea. A ukulele. My German Shepherd. Island that I would love to be trapped on. So much stuff to do. And you know what's interesting? Not one person asked for any kind of device, nothing, not even a batteries, which I'm surprised. Not one of those items made it onto this island. I think that's interesting. Thank you for all being here. Have a great weekend. Goodbye.